Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this pull one right here, and basically what this is a waterproof dog blanket. So you can definitely use this in your sofa, your couch, your chair, your bed, or even in your car. Basically you can actually use this anywhere as you want to. But you can see the one that we got right here from this brand right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product and see how it's all nice compressed and everything. So let's take it out. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. It's all nicely packaged in this small little bag right here. You can see right here how they mention it's a pet blanket and it's from a brand called Bedsure. Let me actually open up the product first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we first take out the product and see that this is basically actually looks like. And here's what it looks like on the other side right here. So when you guys feel the material on here, it actually feels really nice and very smooth. It definitely feels like a high quality fabric that they use on here. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when you guys open up, this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here is a small, but they do have this in like medium and large as well. But this is basically actually looks like on this side. If we flip it to the other side, this is basically actually looks like on this side. You can definitely use either side when you guys actually set this up on your bed, your sofa, or wherever you guys want to put this. If you guys look at the way how they stitch it, they mention how it has a hemming design in terms of how they stitch it right here, which is pretty nice. Same thing for other side as well. And in terms of how to maintain the product, they mentioned how you should use warm water to actually wash it, and you guys want to tumble dry and low. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys open it up. So let me actually go wash and dry this first, and then we'll set this up to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got this blanket all set right here. So if you guys want to use this on your sofa or somewhere else, you definitely can. But I'll just set up on the floor right now to show you guys how it works. So right here we have a pretty small dog, and right here we got the small size. So if you guys want to set up this way, you can definitely set on this side. Or if you guys want to flip the other side, you definitely can as well. Let me flip it on the other side and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so if I flip it to the other side, this is basically what the other side looks like. Alright, so you definitely have the option to flip it on either side, but definitely see how spacious the blanket is on here. So if you guys want to use the whole entire blanket in your sofa, wherever, you definitely can. So if you guys want to go like this, to cover them up, you definitely have the option available as well. So that way it can actually keep your pet warm. You can see they love it a lot. So you can see the product definitely does work and works quite well. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys have a quick test of the product and definitely see that she does work and it's quite well. Super easy to use the product. Literally all you need to do is just roll this into your machine to wash and dry it. And basically once you guys finish washing it, you can definitely set this up wherever you guys want to. Whether you want to set up in your bed, your sofa, or somewhere else. Basically wherever you guys want to set it up, that is up to you guys. But definitely works really well if you can see from the test. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality waterproof pet bed that's reversible. So that way you guys have two different options to choose from for the blanket. Whether you guys want like the plush material, or if you guys want the reversible option that has like the Sherpa material on here. To give your pet that comfortable feeling, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to want these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.